Hey guys, thanks for coming back and tuning in. As mentioned in my last video, today we are going to be discussing how to organize your closet for convenience. My name is Lauren and this is Orderly Conduct. So if you haven't already done so, you need to first purge your closet before moving on to this next step. I discussed in my last video 3 questions you need to ask yourself before getting rid of things in your closet. So if you haven't already watched that video, stop right there, take a look, and come on back. Okay, so the first tip in organizing your closet for convenience is you want to organize your clothes by color. I typically do this when it comes to my jeans. I like to organize my jeans by shade. So I have a lot of acid wash or pattern jeans or just different shade jeans. And sometimes I'm in a different mood for a different pair of jeans. I like to know exactly where to find that particular jean in my closet. I hate having to dig through a bunch of clothes. So here I gave an example of how I sort my jeans from dark to light. If I'm in a light denim mood, I know exactly where I can find it. The next tip is to sort your clothes by priority as it suits your life. For me, it's so much more convenient when I have my sweaters and my jackets and my outerwear right in the front. Right now it's the beginning of August in Arizona, and there is no way I'm wearing a sweater or a jacket. But in any other season, I would grab my sweater. It's right in the front of my closet and it's so much more convenient. I also like to sort my sweaters by pattern and by shade so I know exactly where to find what I'm looking for. Since we're talking about season, that brings me right to my last tip. You want to organize your closet by season. You don't want any out of season things in the way of the items that you're actually wearing right now. A really good thing to do to make sure you don't have any of your out of season clothes in your way is to remove all of the out of season items out of your closet and pack it away in an old suitcase that you're not using right now. Most of us don't have any travel plans, but if you do and you are going to be using a suitcase, then you obviously don't want to use a suitcase that you're going to be using now. So pack it away in like an old suitcase where you can go back to it when those items are more season appropriate. I hope you found these tips helpful for you. I want you to stay tuned every week for more tips on how to maintain organization in your home. Give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Until next time.